Yeah. I be asking Mello, you really from Chicago, man?
Yeah.
You don't act like you from Chicago.
Yeah.
I'm like, what that supposed to mean? Huh? Cause I don't do certain things.
What it do, y'all?
You know I'm from Chicago. I've been having a lot of thoughts in my head, man, and it's just been wrecking my brain, man, and you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people, I mean, I ain't gonna say a lot of people, but the people that know me, they know what I'm about, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't know what I'm about, you know, go check out my videos on YouTube after you check this one out, I guess, because this is going to be the latest post. But like for real, I'm a biologist, you know what I'm saying? I don't rap. Like, I like this shit, it's fun, you know what I'm saying? I love it, but that's not my passion, you know what I'm saying? My passion is to rap because I want to get my message out there by any means, even if it means I got to curse a few words, you know what I'm saying? The kids in the streets, they hear that more than, you know, they hear that anyway. I'm not saying it's good, but it's real, it's reality. You know what I'm saying? You can't escape that. So one of the things I really want to talk about is my next idea, which is making my own soap. You know what I'm saying? I'm big on like entrepreneurship and stuff like that. And since the fact that, you know what I'm saying, I did take organic chemistry, I am okay with it, and I can always learn more because I have my own time. I'm going to make my own soap, you know what I'm saying? You know, you have to start from somewhere. You have to look up to something, and I look up to Dove. Shout out to Dove, man, because I love y'all. And I don't want to, you know, say that I'm gonna take the same ingredients in there, but the same organic chemicals in it I have to use for soap, and that's all it is, all the same. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's what it is, you know. And so I'm gonna emulate, not imitate, but emulate. Look up emulate if you don't know what that means. I'm gonna emulate it off of Dove. And it's gonna be called Taylor Clean, something like that. I don't really know yet. I might come up with a better name. But yeah, that's my next idea, man. And I really just, you know, pray that God help me get this. I know I need a lab, but I can always go, because I'm going to go to my organic teacher, Dr. Hajiani. Shout out to Haj, man. You know, you already know what it is. You my man, you feel me? But yeah, so I want to do that soap thing, man, and just, you know, just show people that you can do whatever you want to do, man. You don't have to be stuck in a box, man. Just do you. You know what I'm saying? God got you. You just can't be scared and or fear. You can't have fear. And that's a chapter in my up-and-coming book, Brainwork 3. Don't be what you got to be scared of. Like, for what? We all have a checkout day. We all checking out. We have to. It's just a part of life. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Look out for that soap. For real, I'm on that. Like white on rice, man. Like a fat kid loves cake, or like a kid on a bike. I'm gonna say that. I'm on it. You know what I'm saying? For real. So yeah, you already know, man. King Mello, Dr. Taylor. You know what I'm saying? Daddy to a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. I'll let your boy, man. Let's get it.